How to delete Roblox account. Now, in order for us to delete our Roblox account, you are going to have to log in first to roblox.com. You can do this one on your phone as well. You just make sure that you are using a browser. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this part right here and basically type here roblox-support. And then if you're going to hit enter, you should be able to see the contact us page. Now, from this point forward, I just want you to go ahead and fill in the necessary information. Here you have the username, the first name, the email address. This is very important. Make sure it is the one that you are using for your Roblox account. Now, once you are done with that, you have here the issue details. Go ahead and click this one and then choose the device which you are using. And then down below, type of help category, go ahead and click this one and then choose an option that says delete my account. The same thing here down below. There you go. Now afterwards, you can just go ahead and describe here, basically put here the reason why you want Roblox to delete your account permanently. After doing so, just go ahead and hit the continue button and you should be done. Once submitted, make sure to check your email from time to time because Roblox is going to contact you in resolving this matter. And that is how to delete Roblox account.